Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix the Netflix error code in Windows 10. And yeah, let's move on. Let's show you how to do it. And I promise you that's not a complicated tutorial. So watch this video all the way till the end. And yeah, let's move on. So first, click here on Windows Searcher and search for command prompt like this. Open it, and here you have to type two commands. The first one is ipconfig like this, and then space, then type flush DNS like this, flush DNS, type enter, and now type for NETSH like this, then space winsock, then again space and reset, and no space there. Yeah, NETSH space winsock space reset, and that's it. Click enter, and now just restart your PC, and I hope your Netflix will there will be no any problems with your Netflix. And yeah, that's it. Just restart your PC. And if I helped you out, make sure to give a like, and also if you have some problems, if you have some questions, you can comment down below the video in the comments, and I'll try to respond and to fix the problems together. And yeah, see you next video. Bye.